Robots are rapidly changing the future of manufacturing. MX3D is founded on a very simple idea. We wanted to radically change the way we manufacture metal objects by moving away from mass production and into a more intelligent, efficient way of production. So the technology is called wire arc additive manufacturing, and it's rapidly developing as the foundry of the digital age. After several years of experimentation and the development of some great projects and software tools, we merged all we knew in one effective machine, our M1 metalxl machine. So with the M1 we really produce in a much more controlled and assured fashion than we did before, and this is the next step for this technology. So for a young technology like wire arc additive manufacturing, it really helps if you have a partner like LRQA to show the world that the process is fully assured from A to Z. So the collaboration with the LRQA is finally paying off. With the machine assured and certified deposit strategies, we can now really comfort our clients that we can not only print their complex parts, but we can do it quick, safe and assurable. So I'm looking forward to expanding this collaboration in a time where metal manufacturing is going to be more local, more flexible and more sustainable. It's going to be exciting.